Hey from Isabel. Today I'm presenting the final version of Early Bird, a virtual pet the user can interact with through speech and gesture like so. So let's get into the demo. First of all, the latest additions here are a few new toys, a more realistic environment for the bird to move around in, and a reputation and taskbar. About the taskbar, this is more for demo purposes to make sure everything I want to show is shown. It's not really a main functionality of the system. With that being said, here's the video.
Good bird. There you go. All right, let's go.
No, you didn't let him finish.
Okay, you can finish the last few pieces. All right, now you're going in the cage. Reputation dropping fast. All right, let's go to the bell. Boo! Okay. Going to the shower. Ooh, okay. We're gonna trick him. He does not like the sound of the bell. Okay. There we go. Tricked. Alright, I'll give you a shower. Quickly, before he doesn't like me anymore. No. No. Put down the food. There we go. Alright. There we go.
Okay, so how does my system work? It takes an input from the Leap and my laptop mic, uses a few packages, including speech recognition and the AFIN dictionary, which provides a sentiment score for a given word. I also use an audio context library to get volume and the Leap SDK. Then I do some custom processing and present the output through the laptop screen and speaker. So how well did my system work? Again, gestures were pretty good, except that sometimes hand rotation was a little hard. Speech was harder to use than gesture, and people didn't tend to use it as much. We can see this in the overall ratings, where the intuitiveness of talking to the bird was not as high as some other things. We can also see here that only 1 out of 2 of my users felt frustrated, which I think is pretty good given how frustrating it is to use a bird in real life. Let's look at an interesting failure now related to using 2 hands instead of 1.
Okay, I want to feed him. Ooh.
In this video, we can see that the program did not detect both hands. It only detected one, leading to a kind of jumping situation when the user tried to use 2 hands at once. This is possible for the Leap to handle, but it is out of scope for this project. A possible solution would involve processing both hands separately in parallel. With that, that is all from me. Thanks for watching.